Welcome to Photo News Nuggets, the week of April 27th, 2026. Breaking news! Satellite takes photo of Hubble on its 36th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hubble. Wait, Hubble? 36 years old? You mean that NASA is using 36-year-old technology while the rest of us upgrade our iPhones or cameras every 2 years? That's just insane. The Hubble space satellite is famous for taking incredible photos of far-off galaxies. A company by the name of Vantor used one of their satellites to take a birthday photo of good old Hubble. Here's to many more, Hubble. Apple to add more photo editing tools to iOS 27. Yeah, where's our AI? Apple to add more photo editing tools in iOS 27. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple plans to introduce new AI-powered photo editing tools, extend, enhance, and reframe under an Apple Intelligence Tools section in the Photos app for iOS 27, iPad OS 27, and of course, Mac OS 27 this coming fall. These on-device features aim to expand images, improve quality, and adjust spatial photo perspectives. Though some of these may be delayed due to inconsistent performance in testing. You know what, Apple? I just want to be able to check my weather and have it be right. I mean, can Siri at least do that? Claude AI can now create creative workflows across Adobe product. For those of you that said Adobe is done, yeah, I don't think so. Adobe has expanded its AI ecosystem to the AI platform Claude. Users can now describe what they want to create in either Claude or Adobe Firefly, and then Adobe systems will automatically coordinate tools such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, Lightroom, InDesign, Express, and of course, Firefly. Users can describe what they want using natural language, and the system will determine which Adobe apps are needed to complete the task. This new feature includes image editing, vector design, video formatting, and asset creation. Gee, Adobe, when are you going to get back into 3D? That would be nice too, now wouldn't it? Well, there you have it. The first ever Photo News Nuggets of 2026. Let's keep them going, everyone. Click that like and subscribe. And as always, have a very, very blessed day. Take care, everyone.